The aura analysis allows you to analyze the energy distribution of your chakras in the information field. Select the middle action button and you will be led to the main menu for the analysis modules. Select the client for the aura analysis. If you have already performed analysis in the past, you can view them again in the history area. In our case, we will re-record the aura. It takes a few seconds and you will see a visual representation of the energy distribution in the chakras in the information field. If you tap on the cloud icon in the upper right hand corner, a PDF report will be created that you can share on your smartphone. By tapping on the button in the upper right hand corner, you can display the corresponding energy distribution as a bar chart. The 3 lowest chakras are automatically selected here. You may deselect these or select other chakras. The total energy gives you an overview of the energy distribution of all 7 chakras. Please note that the total energy does not represent the average value, rather the quality of the analysis values of the individual chakras. If you select Interpretation, you get an overview of the chakras with the lowest or highest current energy levels and their associated interpretation. You can also read general information about the chakras here. According to the chakra system, the individual chakras are connected to certain organs, emotions, sounds, or colors. Read this valuable information carefully. You can leave this overview by tapping X in the upper right hand corner. Now leave the chakras selected that you want to analyze deeper and tap on Start Analysis. In the next step, you will see the selected chakras again. The predefined focus is My aura is strong and stable. In the results list, you will see the so-called present state and the desired state. Present state describes the analysis of the present state in the information field. On the desired state, you find the positive information which will then be used for the optimization in the information field. Scroll through the list and read the information. Find out where you most resonate with them. At the top left-hand side of each analysis result, you will find the 3 parameters: relevance, intensity, and potency. By default, each list is sorted by relevance in descending order. In our case, we have a relevance of 89%, an intensity of 8, and a potency of C8. The relevance indicates how important the topic is for the client in the current situation. Intensity indicates how much optimization is needed. Intensity 1, for example, means that you have already achieved a lot in regards to the topic at hand. Intensity 10 means that there is still much work to be done. Potency is displayed in D, C, and LM potencies, as in classical homeopathy. Next, you can send the optimization information directly into your or the client's information field. Please note that only the desired state information is used for optimization. Select the appropriate duration, that is, for how long you want to send the optimization list to the information field. In our case, we choose a short optimization for about 37 seconds. The information can only be vibrated if Healy is connected and the Analyse app is active, because the optimization information is transmitted to Healy in real time, as you can see from the red curve below. In addition, information from Healy is permanently transmitted back to the app, as you can see from the blue curve. This transfer is automatically stopped when the app is moved to the background. Furthermore, you have the option to create a PDF by tapping Actions and send it from your smartphone, tapping the Share button in the upper right hand corner. Use the arrow keys in the middle of the screen to scroll through the PDF. Finally, you can add so-called manual list entries using actions. Select Add Manually to create and edit so-called present state or desired state list entries. We usually only use desired state entries here because they contain information relevant for the optimization. Write a focus sentence, an affirmation, or a topic formulated in a positive and present tense form. This could be, for example, I feel connected to myself. Confirm this, and the manual desired state entry will be added to the list. This desired entry automatically has a relevance of 100% because the topic obviously has the highest relevance for you. You can immediately resend the optimization list with your manual entry into the information field by tapping on Vibrate.